Now check this out. You see, it vibes. It vibes. You don't need to buy unexpected things just because you want to impress. End up being in debt for no reason, for something that is depreciating daily, hourly, secondly, millisecondly. Nah, man. Yeah. Maybe, yeah. Sometimes you'll spoil yourself, yes. But then, sometimes, nah. You've got to use what you have, to get what you want. If you mean it, yes. Yeah, I'm still available for the bookings, 2.5, yeah. 2.5, I'm gonna entertain you the whole 8 hours. Yes, 8 hours. Getting well, 8 hours. 2.5. Other than that, number on the screen.